We're at Sunday Club at WB and Sons Classic Car Auctioneers. Hold the Sunday Club the week before the sale so you can have a good look around the cars and have a meet. Lots of nice cars pulling in. Some very interesting things there. I'm gonna have to take another look at that one. Just really caught my attention.
Oh yeah, man.
Get all stiff and go.
Sorry?
How are you?
Oh, buddy.
So the auction's hosting its own car show, Wings and Wheels, Saturday the 1st of August. They've got a website, just have a Google, you can see it there. £10 per ticket is it, I think.
Yeah.
So just go and check the website out and have a look. It's hosted up in Northumberland. We don't get many shows, so it'll be a good day out. Let's try and sell it out for them.
What are we going to look at? The police car.
Definitely the police car. I think there's a few bits in I want to look at. That's very interesting.
Which one? I like both of them at the front.
The Renault 5s.
Yeah.
Nice Clio over there. I think we'll get stuck in and we'll have a look around here.
Yeah.
Nice Triumph Vitessia. Looks like a project. I haven't got the sticker in the window, so I'll have to I'll put the costings in, or Dad will when he edits the video, put the estimates of this one in. This wouldn't be a bad one. Is that a hard top bolted on? So it looks like it should have a soft top.
No, is that separate?
Aye, that's a hard top, that.
Yeah, but it's removable, isn't it?
Yep.
Oh,
Oh,
what's that wing?
that's on the bonnet.
It's different, that. With them.
Oh, they're lovely, them. Prone to leak. This would be a canny little project. Are these 2 litre straight sixes? The Vitesses?
I couldn't tell you. I haven't had too much to do with them.
We'll have a look and see what the description says.
It's overdrive.
Yep, certainly does
It's got
say
a badge
that.
on the back down there.
Look at that fitment.
Yeah, nice. Aircon.
Aye. Need in this weather.
Be nice and careful opening this door. The other one creaked a lot. That can't be right. 26,800 on.
It's got to have been around the clock.
Looks like it's got a soft top cover in the back there. Definite project. I can see some holes in the floor already. And
Household carpet.
a bit of light through the sills. Oh, quick look in the boot. Oh, plenty of spares. Couple of air filters, manual spark plugs.
Oh, and let's see what's in the prime box. Brake caliper.
Old brake caliper.
A started project, possibly.
It's a possibility, isn't it? Jamie's just having a look at this Citroen. Is that a CX?
CX, yeah. Non-reserve car. Definitely a project, but absolutely beautiful. And when you stand up onto the back window, I've never ever seen a back window that shape.
I'm just looking at the back of the sill actually in the bottom of the doors.
Ah, you can see it in that front wing, looks a bit suspect in there.
Yeah. I'll have a look at the back window.
Let's see,
Oh, right.
see what I mean?
Concave as well,
Ah.
yeah. Concave or convex, whichever one. Depends which way, whether you're inside or outside.
Lovely in there. Are you seeing the dash and stuff? Come
Yeah,
round here. Aaron,
can I pass you across the phone? You can show everybody.
have a look in there. Look at that. Incredible, that. They certainly don't make old cars like they used to. Very quirky. Nice photo. Even the push of the handle, look, on that little button there. Satisfying. Yeah, it's definitely a project. I'm not after another project anytime soon, not with a bus. That's going to take all of my time up. And I've got nowhere to store stuff, to back store stuff yet anyway.
I take it it's a 2 litre CX200. I don't think I've seen one of these before.
No.
In the flesh.
I haven't either. And then on to this. Lovely, this. Fiat 127, sorry.
This was a no reserve, was it?
Yeah, this is also a no reserve. Very much looks like a project. Oh, Dad, having a look there. And
The back around the screen's absolutely shot all the way around.
sorry about the train noise again. Bit of a hole in the front wing there. Lovely wheels on it. Have you seen the wheels?
Oh yeah, like them.
A little bit of a nasty there in the back window.
Where do you get a tailgate for one of these?
I don't know. And somebody side some speakers in at some point.
Right, I don't know whether I want to open this door or not.
Well, you've said it now, so you're going to have to for the viewers.
Wait and see if this is... Oh, it's alive. There we go. Hands in, that's about all that's going in here. Quite nice inside actually.
It is, I mean, it needs better.
I think it would get away with repacking that and putting
Rust
some
work
piping
and
on.
some welding, that aye.
Oh, the whole seat's pretty bad. Carpet's alright, dash will clean up. Headliner needs a bit of repair. Back seats look good, that's obviously why the Wasp's in there.
Aye. It's that I'm more interested in. Alpha GT V6, yeah. Those of you that grew up watching Top Gear like I did, will recognise this. Clarkson bought one. Was it Top Gear or was it the Grand Tour that bought the GT V6 he had?
I can't remember, I can just
I
remember
can't.
him driving it.
Right. Well, this one is quite literally Swiss cheese.
Oh, I didn't see that bit.
Have you seen the roof? I thought the Integrale was bad. It's actually peeling. I think it's got a bit of sunburn. Its skin's peeling off.
Sunburn.
Yeah, look, see,
Oh,
it's peeling.
I see what you mean, sunburn.
Yikes. This is a brave man's project, this. And certainly I'm not that brave man,
Yeah,
unfortunately.
there's one piece of the roof.
Aye. One piece of many.
I think that's a bit too far gone.
I think that's a parts card, you.
Sort of, yeah.
Gotta be, hasn't it? You're frightened to touch anything in case it all falls to bits.
I think this is good for a will it run and drive, and that's about it. Once it's run and
Aye.
driving, it's got to go to the breaker's yard, hasn't it?
Certainly
Broken
does.
for parts.
It's got to go to the farm to run around with its friends.
Yep.
Oofed.
We'll have a look in here. That looks clean.
Oofed.
Somebody's just done that, haven't they?
Wait until you see in there as well. This'll be a rocket ship, this.
I can go around the other side for a look, because keep the bonnet up a second, please. Looks like everything new belts, everything.
Aye, it
Pipes,
will.
stainless hoses, radiators and everything.
Custom intake system on there.
Yeah.
Intercooler, oil cooler. It's got the works done. Have you seen inside? That won't be a slouch.
We've got our slicks in the back as well.
Oh,
Full set of slicks in there for...
back when the
Track
French
gears.
knew how to make a hot hatch, eh?
I think just a tiny bit of tidying up on the outside and that's ready for the road, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Is it road legal?
I can't see why it couldn't be. It's got lights, it's got indicators and stuff.
Well, it hasn't got number plate on the back.
Or the front, but
Unless it's been a private.
you could chuck it on, definitely.
Yeah.
And then just for comparison, not a turbo, but a super clean Renault 5 there. This is lovely as well, this. Leathers inside it, auto. Beautiful, this.
If this was this clean inside and you pop that engine in, being that clean, it'd be a perfect car.
Would. You don't see many of the turbos around like.
Nope. If you wanted to look at the Clio.
I love these. I think we're talking about this before, but you know the cars have a smell.
Yeah.
It just even reminds us of mine. I didn't have the Sport, like it was just the 1.2, but
Very
beautiful
clean.
that. It is. I think it's got an estimate to match how clean it is. You could pick these up for peanuts back in the day. They're mega bucks now. Anybody who kept them and held on to them is winning.
I think this has been one of them that's been well looked after and held on to.
Does I? It's not dented. It's not battered. Lovely this.
Just having
Nice.
a quick look at this one. Looks quite clean. All the way down the side there.
Cart, ex-cart van. Do you think?
It's a double stacker, so twins, yeah.
Twin carts.
Twin, looks like it's got the ramp there for putting one on and then one down below. Yeah, bed up top, couple of seats down there.
109,000 miles.
Quite tidy in the front as well.
Aye.
Nearly ready to go. Getting a quick look at this one, try out Mayflower. Just because it's so different, I don't know whether it's one of them love-it-hated cars. It sort of looks like the designer's taken a car and a pencil in a straight line.
1953, yeah. 2 previous keepers.
It's even got a fire extinguisher.
3 to 4.
3,000 to 4,000.
Yeah,
Certainly be different to the car show, wouldn't it?
sure would.
Don't think you'd pull up next to another one, would you?
Tax disc there. Got that right first time this week. 1990.
Yeah.
2 nice Jap imports here. Nissan Cedric, is it? And a Subaru Legacy next to it. No, it's a Cedric. 2.5 V6, 2 litre twin turbo. Boxer engine in the Legacy. Manual car, that it's rare. Basically a Scooby with a twin turbo on. It'll be faster. That's nice though, you don't see many of these. Look at that.
Would that be off something like a Skyline chassis or?
Aye. It's even still got the blue plastic on the kick plates.
Nice.
It is lovely. I'm not sure if this would have been the same as like the Toyota Crowns and stuff, like the sort of Japanese like luxury man's car, chauffeur driven.
I do like the full wind deflector.
Aye. I think the estimate on this as well, you know, was next to nothing. Not for what you're buying anyway. It's got all the screening and everything up there. There's a little bit of trim off at the bottom there, but all a nice screening, auto box. It's beautiful, that. It's a proper car, this. Bit of rust there, like, but catchable. And down there, typical Subaru rust.
There you go up past the camera, you can show with the rust.
Typical Subaru. And along the arches. It's a lovely car, this, though. We'll have a look under there. Inside. It's just kilometres, that's not miles. It is miles. Wow. This is important. I was pretty sure the Japanese cars come in kilometres, not miles. But I might be corrected.
Right, I'll grab the camera. 2 hands. Oh, you only needed 1 hand for the bonnet anyway.
And there's the beating heart of a 2 litre Subaru Boxer engine with what I believe is 1 turbo 2 turbos. Twin turbo manual we'll call this. Super rare. Not sure what sort of power output they are. There's the sticker, the Japanese sticker there. Lovely, lovely car. This back arch isn't as bad, but
Back bumper is.
aye, that's terrible. Absolute abundance of spares in there. For anybody interested, spare fuel pumps and trims and more trims and
Boxer twin turbo
engine cover,
yeah. And
intercooler,
small intercooler, yeah.
massive cannon on the back. The auction do have a running drive of this on, so if anybody is interested,
Without interest. Yep.
passes
It
the fit
fits.
test. Like throwing a golf club down the time tunnel, that wouldn't it?
Yeah. Since we're into the VWs at the minute. Bit of a strange one, a Subaru.
Just have a look at these pedals. I've never seen anything quite like it. Do you press both of them at the same time?
Auto box. Not actually much trouble there, is there? That cannot be a steering column there.
That also looks like a Suzuki badge on the steering wheel.
It did, didn't it?
Aye. 6-seater. It's been to all the VW festivals.
All of one.
One careful owner and it's never been modified.
Yeah. Apart from that little bit.
And this little bit. I know what's happened here. They've started off sober and they've increasingly getting drunk.
Yeah, I think that's about 6 or 8 cans down there, isn't it?
Definitely.
Oh, quite a few more cans over here.
Yep. Time they got to that part,
Yeah.
they were paralytic.
Buick. For anybody watching from America?
If anybody is watching from America, what were these like? I'd be interested to know. This is-
Particularly if you're in Virginia.
This is the coolest thing ever though.
Oh, wow.
Your seatbelt, sir?
That's a brilliant idea.
Well, it is until the door falls off.
Yeah, but then you've got your escape route. I think if the door's falling off, I think you'll want out the car with it.
Yep. These are the sort of things you would see the American YouTubers road trip, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Buy as a joke and then not clued up on the American cars. They'll have to give us a little bit of forgiveness. There's no tagging.
And it's got the dashboard cover on, so I'm presuming the dash is all split to bits.
And the velour seats,
Yeah.
they are lovely. This is beautiful, this. Everything's electric.
I'm trying to think what film this was out of.
Or horizontal speedo as well. Electric seats.
Electric windows. Electric mirrors. Oh,
Get your 10 box on.
you fit two on there.
Ish.
One at the front, one at the back.
Probably upgrade that.
2-bedroom. It's even got electric windows in the back. And loads of spares here. Fuel filter, etc. Tank sensors, blender units.
Aye, there's.
So something to do with the fuel system by the looks of it.
This is a non-reserve car as well. Looks like it's had a mouse.
I had a furry friend in.
Yeah. Hopefully we don't find him.
Yeah.
Anybody knows, they'll let me know in the comments, surely.
Yeah.
Nice Porsche Boxster here. I do think this is the one that the clutch was possibly on the way out on. If you watch the WB and Sons video, they'll give you a bit more information. But Porsche Boxsters, yes, they're not a 911, not as fast. Haven't got the name and stuff, but for a Porsche and an entry level Porsche, £3 grand. Still do some damage on the back roads, it will. Don't think the private plate comes with this one. But a lovely car, that.
Is this a Porsche or a BMW M6?
I think he's possibly had an M6
I think he might have done.
and getting a Porsche. Got a spoiler on there. Inside's lovely as well. I like this all black on black murdered out. Absolutely lovely. There, 85,000 miles. And wow, I would not buy one of these in black, because I will tell you, if this was heat vision, you'd be turning your aircon up. It's lovely in there. I'd certainly be interested in a Porsche at entry level. Maybe as if I sell the Beamer and the Audi when I get it fixed. I'll voice over this bit. The radio was on and we got wrong last time off YouTube, but a few nice bikes, yeah. I like the idea of a bike, but they're a bit dangerous. Oh, my throttle hand's a bit dangerous, should I say.
Plenty of motorbikes to choose from in here, and quite a few cars as well. This little MG caught my eye from across the room. Something quite different, I think. It's got a very nice oily rag patina to it. Looks lovely on the outside the way it is. I think I would just leave it and keep on going with an oily rag. And I think the expensive bits have been covered. There's brand new seats in there in the plastic and new carpets as well for the interior. Nice dashboard as well. I love it how the speedo's in the centre and the driver's just got a nice compartment for sweets and crisps. If you're interested in any of the cars you've seen, please check out the WB and Sons website. Sale dates is the 2nd of March 2026. And from Rust to Road, thank you very much for watching. Take care, we'll see you in the next video. If you're enjoying this, a subscribe will be very nice. Bye.